Okay, guys, we are gonna try ube cheesecake. Ito siya. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. Smell test. Okay, amoy ube. A little bit. So, may layer siya ng cheesecake. Or parang graham, no? Graham crackers. And then ube. Let's get the perfect bite. Masarap siya. Masarap naman, no? But,
I think it's like, it's not sweet.
it's not sweet, so okay siya. But, I feel like the ube is a little, like, overwhelming for me.
Dami eh.
So, thick kasi yung ube niya. So, for me, it's a little, like, parang overwhelming. Pero masarap. I think I would buy this again. Pero maybe, babe, dapat half tayo. I think ganun. Yung parang sobrang siyang rich na you're not supposed to finish like the whole thing. Pero,
Ano yung, look at the picture. Ano yung on top?
blueberries.
Dapat bumili tayong blueberries tapos ipatong natin.
Nakalagay dito, your cheesecake, your style. Top with coconut, matcha, blueberries, or coffee for a delicious twist. So, but ours is just plain.
I think it needs that.
You think so? I guess. Pero masarap siya.
Bili tayong blueberries.
Meron silang other flavor. So it's they have lemon, tiramisu, key lime, and double chocolate. Yun lang, guys. Try nyo rin. We got this at Costco. Bye!